Primetime news tonight. Tragedy, grief and reflection. Family members on killing of 8-year-old Shante Scars.
If the police did come with me at the same night, just the night when I got to them and said to him that the child missing, I did expect them to come with me.
Condemnation. Authorities upset about mob killing of man who may have known about Shante's death. And
us as police officers need to be and locate ourselves where our problems are.
Police Commissioner on relocation plans for headquarters to downtown Kingston.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I am Archibald Gordon.
And I am Andrea Chisholm. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. Herman Green has our preview.
Thanks, Andrea. Well, are you ready for a cashless Jamaica? Well, one financial institution says it has strategically been targeting underbanked persons as Jamaica gets closer to that reality. I'll have that and other stories in the business day.
Well, I'm cashless. No, but I suspect you mean something else. Karen Madden is standing by with an update on what's coming on in sports.
Thanks, Archie. Well, the Jamaica Cricket Association boss, Billy Heaven, is fending off claims that posts for votes is behind several Jamaicans being given positions following the election of Ricky Skerritt to the top job in West Indies cricket.
Looking forward to that, Karen, definitely. But we also have sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, we have the feedback question.
They seem to be asking, what do you make of plans to relocate the police headquarters to downtown Kingston?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.